Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutorial.pk. Today we are discussing the exercise of your chapter 1, that is the introduction. Let's start with the MCQ. So the first MCQ is, which one of the following is the correct sequence in biological method? Observation, hypothesis, law, theory. Option B है observation, hypothesis, deduction, testing of deduction. Option C hypothesis, observation, deduction, testing of deduction. Option D है law, theory, deduction and observation. तो right option है option B, observation, hypothesis, deduction and testing of deduction. Second MCQ is, which of one of the following is employed in the treatment of cancer? Antibiotics and vaccination, radiotherapy and chemotherapy, chemotherapy and antibiotics, all of the above. The right option is option B, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Question 3 है, which one of the following is not a viral disease? Cowpox, mumps, tetanus, smallpox. The right option is option C, tetanus. Question 4 है, which one of the following is not related to cloning? Replacement of the nucleus of zygote by another nucleus, separation of the cell of the embryo to form more embryo, the individual resulting having the same genetic makeup, removal of the piece of the DNA or the gene from the cell and incorporate it to another in its place. The right option है option D, removal of the piece of the DNA. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हुए. In the next video we will discuss the fill in the blanks.